Okay, so this is a re-up of the other video I did the other day about Instagram. Here's my proof for Sunday. I know I can't show you in the video, but now you can see I got 287 extra views, profile visits 283, the website clicks plus 3, email plus 1. So yeah, as you can see, I got more numbers. Impressions, 1,200 really impressions. Reached 137, it says. Audience. Oh no, this is audience again. Yeah, so yeah. Also, this is exactly one like day later. It's not like one day. I posted that video around 9 last night, and it's now 8 o'clock a.m. So yeah, we went up from, I think it was 1,191, and now we're at 1,209. We were up to 1,210, but somebody unfollowed me, I think. But yeah, see, like these extra accounts right here, these Ride in Peace official and stuff. These guys I didn't follow, but they'll like follow you randomly, and they'll probably later unfollow you if you don't follow back or whatever. So yeah, just started to do a re-up. And also right now we're gonna do how to do your Snapchat. First you wanna open up Snapchat, right? You wanna go here, click on your snap code, save snap code to camera. Go home, go to Instagram, swipe left, open up the little camera, click on this, right? Then you want to press send to your story, and then press add a highlights. Now I already have this, so I'm not gonna send it to mine, but and then you want to add it to one of your highlights. Now these are my highlights. Other accounts, as you can see, now these are all my other accounts, including my Snapchat. Now from my Snapchat alone, let's go back to Snapchat over here, and this is from one night. We have all of these. There's all of these, all of these ads. I know they say by mention, but in reality, it's because it's from this, apparently. I don't know, because nobody else mentioned me. So yeah, there you go. Here goes actual proof of just one night of doing it. So yeah. There. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to get covers like these. As you see these covers right here at Milwaukee Pound Food 2018. Those are really, really cool to do. So yeah, here's how to do it. So I personally either use one of my Adobe accounts, my Adobe softwares, or I use Pixar. I like Pixar best because it's really easy. So yeah, here's how to do it. I'm gonna open up the editing thing, pick a background. I like, let's see, it's cool color. What's a really cool color? That. I see I'm colorblind, so I don't know what that is. It looks kind of pink to me, so we're gonna go with pink. I don't know though. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna paint that just like this, right? Of course, this is over my existing one, but whatever. It'll be okay. Come on. Now you want to add a text. Let's say that. Then you want to click next, or whatever. You want to position it how you want it. You want to get the font you want. That's the font. I guess. Click OK. Done. Save it to your camera roll. Go back. Open up Instagram. Go home. Slide to the left. Over here. Click on it. Send to. Share. And add to highlights. Add to highlights. Add new highlight. Reverse space. And add. Right. Over here. There it is. Subscribe. And that'll be on your little story, right? And let's say we add a picture. Let's add a picture. Like that. Add a picture. Send a story. Add the highlights. Click it like that. Reload. And it's still your cover. See? Wait. It didn't load. Now, okay. See, even though I added the picture, it's still your cover photo. So yeah. Other accounts. So yeah, that's that. Of course, I don't want that on a thing, but yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, share the video with all your friends to get a following or whatever. But yeah, that's how you get your cover photos, and that's how you do your Snapchat. And that's how you make your Instagram more appealing.